Hello there. This video is going to be about how to navigate the debt snowball table page on the Undebt.it website. So first of all, there's two ways to get to this particular page. First way is to go over here to the left side menu and expand the payoff plan menu option and just choose debt snowball table. A quicker way is to go up to the stat bar here and just click on the box labeled snowball amount, and it'll get you to the same page also. So on top of this page here, we have a couple different pieces of information about our account here. First is our payoff method that we've chosen and our monthly budget as well. And both of these you can change right here. So I wanted to switch to the debt avalanche method. Just go and select it. It automatically changes you over. And you can see shifts our debts around. I'm going to change it back to the snowball for this example here. You can also adjust your budget like that. Just the apply button, or you can download an Excel spreadsheet of this table. The thing I wanted to go over is the payments in blue section here. So this says payments already for the current month are shown in blue. So I have two debt accounts here. I haven't any payment yet, so that's why these blue numbers are zero. I'm scheduled to pay $1,000 this month together. So I'm going to go ahead and do a payment on these accounts so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to pay off the Discover for the month. So I'm just going to record a payment for this coming Friday. Payment amount. I'm going to hit the quick button, and our payment is recorded. So now let's go back to our snowball table page, and now you can see 0 is due, and I've paid $125. And the numbers over here shift the same way. And the table is ordered in payoff order, so from left to right. So this is my first one I'm paying off, and then it just keeps going down the line. This column here, additional payments, has to do with additional flakes, which are over here in the additional payments page. There's a video on how to do that as well. And that wraps up how to use the snowball table. Thank you.